In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buy one, get one free on Shopify. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin on a desktop or laptop, because we'll be working inside the main dashboard. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Discounts. This is where all of your discount codes and automatic promotions are managed. On the Discounts page, click on the button that says Create Discount. Shopify will show you a few different types of discounts you can create. For a buy one, get one free style offer, select the option called Buy X, Get Y. This is designed exactly for promotions where customers need to buy something in order to get something else at a discount or for free. At the top, you'll see a field to enter your discount code. Type in a clear, memorable name that your customers can use at checkout, like BOGO or something specific to your campaign. You can also let Shopify generate a random code if you prefer something less guessable. Next, scroll to the section called Customer Buys. Here you decide what the customer has to do to qualify. You can base this on a minimum number of items or a minimum purchase amount. In this example, choose minimum quantity of items so the promotion triggers when they buy a certain number of a product. Click on Browse to choose which product or products the customer needs to buy. Select the product you want this discount to apply to, then click Add to confirm. If your store has many items, use search or filters to find it quickly. Now move to the Customer Gets section. This is where you define what they receive once they meet the condition. Set the quantity and decide whether it's for specific products or collections. Choose specific products, then click Browse again. Pick the product you want to give them as the reward and click Add. In the Add a Discounted Value area, choose how the reward is discounted. For a true buy, one get one free offer, select the option that makes the item free rather than a percentage or fixed amount off. If you want to limit how many free items a customer can get in a single order, tick the box to set a maximum number of uses per order and enter a limit. Then, in the eligibility section, choose who can use this discount. All customers, specific segments, or specific customers only. Next, under maximum discount uses, decide how many times total this discount code can be used across your store if you want to cap it. After that, set an end date so the promotion automatically stops when you want it to. When everything looks good, scroll up or down and click Save. Your buy one, get one free discount is now created and ready for your customers to use.